Hello dear, in today's video I'm gonna talk about if you are facing any sort of problem, then I'm gonna tell you the exact solution, then how you can solve that. And in speaking English, my friend, there are a bunch of reasons why you are facing a lot of reason, and you wanna speak it within a very short period of time, but you don't know exactly how to do it. And that's how I come in. And most of the English teacher who have good experience in speaking English, and even though experience, it doesn't matter that much, because if you know how to speak in a better way, then of course you can teach someone, and if you have learned this practically, then you will be able to teach someone. So this is the thing that really matter. So the thing that I'm gonna tell you, I have applied in my particular journey. So that's why I became a fluent English speaker, and it took me 1.5 years to be a fluent. So if you are thinking, my friend, that I'll be able to speak it within a short period of time, it's not gonna happen. Just throw this sort of mindset away from your mind. It is not gonna help you. And after a period, over a period of time, when you will not be able to speak it within a short period of time, in the course of 4 months, 5 months, or 6 months, then you will start feeling bad, and you will not feel that much enthusiastic. So that's the reason I want you to, my friend, that understand the reality. And I'm not gonna just discouraging you about the time period. I'm just telling you the reality that is gonna take that much time. So if you have any sort of mindset that you will be able to learn within a short period of time, and so there are some of the coaching institute and some of the English teacher who are saying that I'll be able to teach you, and I'll make you speak English within a 6 month, or within a week, within a month. It's never gonna happen. Yeah, when you deep down know that it's not gonna happen, it's gonna take some time, and the effort that I'm putting will be so long. And that's where we need to keep some positive mindset. And if you are thinking that by applying the thing that some of the tutor are telling us, I'll be able to speak English fluently, it's not gonna happen. It's not even a reality. So we're gonna have to accept the reality, and we're gonna have to think that it's gonna take a long time, and we're gonna have to keep patience and keep putting effort every single day. So here are simply four things, and most of the person know that these are these are only four things that is gonna play a huge role in the journey of us speaking English. So we're gonna have to put this sort of thing into our mind. Now this is the thing that I'm gonna have to apply, and you're gonna have to make a chart, proper chart. And now this is just the chart. I'm gonna have to follow it, and so that I'll be able to speak English in a very fluent and advanced way. So if if you want to talk about anything in English, so it is gonna take 1.5 year at least. So mark my word, I'm saying at least. And if you wanna talk about anything, if I think that there will be a time when I'll talk about anything in English, and I will have no hesitancy talking about anything, then it is gonna simply take 1.5 years. You will not be able to speak it within a 6 month, or in the course of a month, 6 months, 7 months, like this. It's not gonna happen like this. Chart is not gonna go like this. So you're gonna have to put this in your mind. And there are some of the things that if you're totally a beginner, then you're gonna have to apply it, so that you'll be able to speak English. And you know initially you are making a mistake of you are watching a very advanced level native, and that's why if you are not able to understand them, then you are thinking, oh my god, I'm not understanding him, and then you are feeling just discouraging. And that's not how things work. You're gonna have to choose. You're gonna have to pick a totally different approach, because initially you will not be able to understand that. It's gonna take some time. So you're gonna have to start, like, initially you can start watching Indian YouTuber, or the person who is talking in an Indian accent. And from the beginning, for starting starting watching to native who's from US, or from UK, from those sort of country where it is spoken. So it is not gonna it is not gonna be your cup of tea in the beginning. So just you have to start watching Indian accent in the beginning. And there will be a point when you will think that now it's okay for me, I can easily understand it, Indian accent. And now you can alter your position from Indian accent to advanced or native speaker accent. So that's how you can do that. And initially, the one thing that is gonna play a huge role when you are starting a journey of you speaking English, is that you're gonna have to listen a lot. When in the beginning, a lot of people will tell you that you're gonna have to, you're gonna have to try to speak a lot, because if you are just starting, you don't know how to speak, and there are a lot of bunch of things that you don't understand. And if you will start talking, and if you will not be able to talk, you may feel discouraged, and the enthusiasm of yours is gonna go away then first and foremost thing that you're gonna have to do is that you are gonna have to listen, you have to watch, and reading book is also one of the things that is gonna help you in the beginning. But if you're not able to talk in the beginning, don't feel discouraged or don't feel bad about yourself. It is not how things work. It's not the thing that is gonna give you some sort of confidence, and it is gonna take your confidence away from you. So in the beginning, don't try to talk that much because you don't have that much idea about how to talk and how to make sentences in a proper way. And if you're at an intermediate level, that's a totally entire another story. So I do not talk about that. So I'll talk about that in another video. So that's a totally another story. And I'm talking about beginners especially in this video. So just we're gonna have to listen, watch, and read. On these three things especially, we're gonna have to focus. We're gonna have to pay our attention more, than any other thing. And if we think that now we are at a good level, we can understand Indian accent. We can talk to. I mean, we can communicate what we are having, and what we want to communicate. If we think we can communicate easily, then we can start watching American accent or British accent. This sort of thing we can do easily then, and then it will be really easy for us then. So that's all that we have got to do. And if you think that if you have any problem, my first speaking in English, then you can let me know in the comment below. So I'm here to tell you that. And if you are facing any sort of difficulty while communicating to native, or if you are just at a zero level, you don't know how to speak, and you can just let me know in the comment below, and just let me know that about which topic should I make next video, because I'm having a hard time just making a video about choosing a topic. So that's why you can let me know, and that will be easy for me to make a video on that. So it is gonna depend on the question that you're gonna ask, and there are a bunch of other things that you don't understand. And if you think that this is my problem, and I don't know how to overcome this, I don't know how to face this problem, then of course you can let me know, and I'm here to answer the question of yours. So just let me know in the comment below. Until then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.